All right, a little bit of an update. Got resizing working now, so I can actually see all of the process nodes here, and have editors available for each of these nodes now. So you can change the frequency band, you could change the slew, the scale amount, the offset amount, and the zone index. So you can see this is taking frequency band 0, this one's got frequency band 1, frequency band 2, and correspondingly output to zone color index. Got to change some of these names. Anyways, the zone index is 0 on that one, 1 on that one, and 2 on that one. And of course you can see that they're actually editable by coming back and seeing that. And that's it. So pretty cool. Now, I think next I will implement the saving and restoring of this data. Currently, these layouts are hard-coded and just come up like this. But get that going and then implement the ability to add, delete, and reorder nodes in a node chain. But getting close to it being a usable piece of software along with the LED stuff. So I'll look forward to seeing more of that.